Well, good evening and welcome, viewers. Uniformity demands that if bars, restaurants and wine shops and liquor shops have been opened in Maharashtra, then with the right precautions, places of worship should also be opened. Because after all, across the entire country, we have moved into the unlocked state. Yes, COVID is a reality. But the fact of the matter is that within the restrictions of COVID-19, places of work and places of public gathering have been opened up. So I truly do not understand why places of worship also cannot be opened up with due restrictions. The sheer obstinate behavior of the Uddhav Thackeray government is making its actions look very suspect. And today, as the protest intensified across Maharashtra, it seems Uddhav has made up his mind to make this an ego issue and not to open temples and places of worship. He's made it a personal battle right now, and that's illogical. And the problem essentially with this dysfunctional government in Maharashtra is that logic demands that this matter must be resolved before public anger grows and before public protests intensify. And this is not the time for making a matter as simple as the opening of temples a reason to foolishly put your foot down. After all, temples have been opened everywhere, in Vaishno Devi, Ma Kamakya temple in Guwahati, Somnath temple in Gujarat. So it's not me, but the entire country is asking, why this government, this incredibly suicidal government in Maharashtra, has taken such a hardline approach on a matter that can be so easily resolved. The nation wants to know, ladies and gentlemen. That's debate number one. On a day when protests intensify across the state of Maharashtra, we're looking at that first, ladies and gentlemen. Whether the Uddhav government should be reopening shrines, debate number one tonight. And debate number two this evening. The Sushant case has emerged as the number one issue in the elections in Bihar. That's debate number two, ladies and gentlemen. And debate number three at 10:30 p.m. on a packed show as usual, the Gold Locker mystery. Exclusive details here on Republic. All this and more is coming up. And here are the headlines this Tuesday evening on the Debate Tonight.
देखिए ये उद्धव का खेल, भक्तों को जेल, गुनहगारों को बेल.
From Shirdi to Siddhivinayak, priests in Maharashtra lead the fight to reopen temples. Maharashtra governor shoots off a stinging letter to Uddhav, asks him if he suddenly turned secular. BJP asks Sonia Sena if bars and restaurants can be opened up, why not places of worship? Another stunning revelation on the controversial Dr. Gupta's controversial Buncombe report. Dr. Swami says the health ministry was not kept in the loop. Fight for justice is getting much bigger. The Sushant case becomes the number one election issue in Bihar. And as the Kerala gold scam probe reaches the chief minister's doorstep, investigating agencies unearth sensational kickbacks locker.